Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Sea of Thieves on your phone. It's easier than you might think, thanks to cloud gaming. You'll need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription and a stable internet connection, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, for the best experience. A compatible Bluetooth controller is also highly recommended to truly immerse yourself in the pirate adventure. Get ready to set sail from anywhere. Getting started is straightforward. First, download the Xbox Game Pass app from your phone's App Store. Once installed, simply log in with your Microsoft account that has the Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Next, make sure your favorite Bluetooth controller is paired with your mobile device. Finally, open the app and navigate to the cloud gaming section, where a vast library of titles awaits your command. Now for the fun part. Within the cloud gaming section of the app, find and select Sea of Thieves. The game will begin streaming directly to your phone screen, bringing the high seas to your fingertips. While on-screen touch controls are available, using a physical controller offers a much more precise and enjoyable experience. Adjust your phone's display settings if needed to ensure the best visual quality for your voyage. To truly optimize your pirate adventures, a few tips can make a big difference. Always connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for the lowest latency and smoothest gameplay. Close any unnecessary background applications on your phone to free up valuable system resources. For comfort during long sessions, consider using a phone clip to attach your device to your controller. And remember to keep your phone charged or plugged in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.